Is it possible to love God without loving humans? The answer is no. Is it possible to love man without loving God? Yes, it is. It can be faked. There are some people who were born. Personally, they have never developed a relationship with God, but naturally, they love. So why do they love if they don't know God? They love because they were created in God's image that they are refusing. However, it makes a difference. If you love God, there is no way you can fail to love a fellow human. Because God's love is horizontal and also vertical. You have to love God for you to be able to love humans. The world does not know how you love God until it sees how you treat other people. Therefore, as Christians, we are the salt in this world. As salt, we have to mix with the people. Not only just mixing, but like salt, make food to taste better. We have to make this world taste much better with us. Unfortunately, in this world, there are so many heartaches that Christians have caused to the nation. Christians have injured so many people because of not following God. We can fake our love. That's the reason why it doesn't stay long. May God help us to love unconditionally. May God help us to love like God wants us to love one another. May God be with you. You are with me, Victor Khaula. Thank you.